So recently I've been searching for a tool which I could use to get leads from Google Maps for my Facebook ads agency, and I came across one which is the perfect solution. This software is perfect to use with any business model, and it's called Phantom Buster. It's super easy to get leads by scraping Google Maps businesses, and I created this video to show you exactly how to use it. First of all, you should create a Phantom Buster account. Afterwards, you'll get redirected to this page. As you can see, there's a lot of integrations that they use. Click on Google. Use the Google Maps search to contact data. This will allow you to extract emails, phone numbers, and social media info. Click on Use this flow, and then it's going to ask you to input your searches. Now, for me, I'm searching for San Diego chiropractors. So, what I do is, I copy the link, and I paste it in here. Click on Save. For the sake of this video, I'll input 10. Save. And then you can select which data you would like to scrape. Phone numbers, Facebook pages, Instagram pages, and then the country. For me, it would be United States. Click on Save. Click on and then wait a bit. After it's done, you'll see the different businesses, their websites, and their phone numbers, as well as if they had any other different information, you'd see them all here. Then click on Download CSV, and it'll download as an Excel. I hope this video helped. Check the software out for yourself, and if you have any questions, comment down below and I'll help you out. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.